welcome back to another edition of Video Star 07 Garage. Today we're looking at a 2009 Chevrolet Cobalt 2.2 liter, and we're looking at the VVT, variable valve timing solenoid. The location, I've seen some bad videos. Okay. This one here is your exhaust. There's your intake one. Okay. See where they're at. There's a new one. I've seen a couple of videos the guys are pointing at this thing here, and that is not the variable valve timing solenoid. It's over here. Take loose your 10mm bolt, slide around that. Alright, happy motoring. Talk to you later.